I love the idea of an artistic challenge that has a real purpose. Everything has a positive or negative impact on you. We are sensory beings after all. And sound is a very, very important part of all that. I've been involved in huge-scale public 3D soundscapes in various cities around the world. The Noise Abatement Society asked me whether I'd be interested in getting involved in it's like a kind of sonic social experiment called West Street Story. It's in the middle of kind of the equivalent social war zone in Brighton on a Saturday night with all the hen and stag parties in this particular 100-metre long area of West Street. About a month before the actual installation, we went down to Brighton to do a kind of research night. And that was pretty chaotic. I mean, lots of police vans, dogs, several arrests I saw in the short period I was there. A lot of aggressive behaviour. It gave me a better focus on the sort of things that we could put into this soundscape to try and modify the behaviour of these people for the better. I designed a 6-hour soundscape composed of different elements that would change on a regular basis. So we did like Beyonce's Countdown at half speed. And people were getting it completely. It was amazing. And another track, the first track I ever wrote, called Being Boiled with the Human League, we did a contemporary version of it and slowed it down and down and down throughout the track until it kind of really ground to a halt at the end. People got that too. So all these kind of micro experiments within the big experiment were really quite astoundingly effective. This whole thing, indoors, outdoors, devices, machines, is all about curating and intelligently modifying our acoustic environment, our acoustic ecology, and not leaving it to chance, because we can't afford to anymore. The quiet mark is an intelligent way to acknowledge discrete items, devices, possibly, I suppose, even environments in the future that make a positive contribution to making our world a more agreeable place from a sound point of view. If the quiet mark was present on 1 or 2 out of a selection of 5 in John Lewis, I don't know, blenders or kettles, I think it'll make a big difference. I mean, people take into account the energy ratings, especially online as well. I think it's very important because people judge a range of things, and just to even have sound as a consideration, it's a massive deal, I think. I'd definitely take it into account. I think quiet mark's a great idea.